If you lump bookkeeper, controller, and CFO into one bucket, you'll either overpay or go without what you actually need. They do totally different jobs. For contractors, here's how I break it down in plain English. A bookkeeper basically is what happened. They enter bills and payments, send invoices, post expenses, reconcile bank accounts, credit cards, clear uncategorized, and ask my accountant transactions. If they're good, the history is accurate and up to date. That's it. It's critical, but that's kind of where bookkeepers stop. Controllers, they answer the question, did it happen the right way? They live in your systems and your controls. They design your processes. They figure out the best way how money can move, who creates a bill, who can approve, and who can pay those bills. Ensuring proper fraud controls. They make sure vendor, payroll, and tax processes run the same way every time. They watch for leaks, duplicate payments, missing invoices, weird vendor behavior, and they essentially own the month-end close. Are the books complete, reconciled, and consistent? They turn messy and inconsistent bookkeeping into basically a well-run financial machine. And then a CFO, they answer the question, what does it mean and what should we do? They're the strategic layer. They build and update your budget, compare reality against assumptions, run 13-week cash forecasts and what-if scenarios. They watch your job margins and overhead, not just total revenue. They also look at your job mix and your debt and say, hey, can we take on this job at those terms? What will that do to our cash flow? Do we need to raise prices here? Or can we afford this new hire or truck? And what kind of metrics do we need to hit from a sales perspective? And then they work with your CPA to make sure tax time isn't a surprise, and they turn your numbers into decisions. Most roofers and contractors only have a bookkeeper, if that, or they're trying to do it themselves. But what they need is bookkeeping that's clean, controller level processes so money stops leaking and they have the data they need to make better decisions, and then CFO level guidance for a few hours a month to make non-dumb decisions and help back up your gut feeling. And that's where we sit at Esmere. We run the bookkeeping, enforce the financial processes like a controller, and we sit there as a fractional CFO, help walk you through pricing, cash, and growth decisions like we're on your team. So remember, a bookkeeper is what happened, a controller is how did it happen and did it follow the rules, and a CFO is what does it mean and what do we do next?